In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up pre-orders on Shopify. But before we dive into this, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about setting up pre-orders on your Shopify store, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is highly valuable to us. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's get started. To set up pre-orders on Shopify, open your web browser and log into your Shopify account. Scroll down on the left sidebar and select Apps. Click on the App Store button. Here, in the App Store, search for Pre-order in the search bar. You'll find various pre-order apps listed. Choose an app that has a good number of downloads and a high rating, ideally 4.5 stars or higher. Click on the chosen app to open it. Since these next steps are quite straightforward, follow along and proceed with adding the app to your Shopify store. Many of these apps offer a free trial period, usually for 14 days. Click on Add App to initiate the process. Once added, connect the app to your Shopify account. Wait a few seconds for the app to install. Once installed, you'll be able to configure and set up pre-orders for your products directly on Shopify. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through setting up pre-orders, please leave a comment below. And remember to hit the like button if you found this information useful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative tutorials on Media Magnet Guide.